Really?
Yeah.
I don't even remember this shit.
Oh, I saw that shit yesterday. We were not late. We were walking. Oh, shit. Yeah, in Barrington they had them.
I'm over here chilling with nigga Kyle, nigga Eric. See my nigga Ty over there. Fucking fireworks ain't fucking hurrying up. I hate that sound though. I really hate that sound.
I like it. Good this and like 20 other fireworks and this is finale. But that's constant.
Is this a Oh, that one was good. Yo, what's up with all these little ones?
That baby?
Yo, my stomach is just like...
Imagine if somebody decided to there you go. Nobody would know.
Oh my god, it's so beautiful.
What did you say? I thought you said I feel like Africa.
He said, I feel like Africa.
I mean...
Yo, that looked nice right there though. You can hear the sound too, like they kind of close.
Huh?
You can hear the sound like they kind of close.
They're on the field down the hill.
It's like missiles. That's what I'm talking about. Now where the red and black at?
Right here.
That's right. Red fireworks, black sky.